Welcome to the future, right here in the scenic landscapes of Fife, Scotland. This World EV Day, we are introducing you to two revolutionary fully electric vehicles, the Mustang Mach-E and the Ford e-Transit, both with a benefit-in-kind rate of just 2%. Let's start with the Mustang Mach-E, pure electric energy wrapped in an iconic design. Don't be fooled, this EV has Mustang DNA with a heart-stopping 480 horsepower. Step into a future-ready cockpit, featuring a state-of-the-art Sync 4 system and a panoramic touchscreen. Say goodbye to range anxiety. The Mach-E offers up to 379 miles on a single charge. Safety enhanced, the Ford Co-Pilot 360 system is your invisible co-driver. Looking for space? The Mach-E's got plenty of room for whatever your life throws at you. Personalise your Mach-E with various trims and colours. Make it uniquely yours. Experience adaptive steering as you sail through the bends of these beautiful Scottish roads. With the UK's ever-growing charging network, you'll be back on the road in just 38 minutes to 80%. Smart connectivity for smart drivers. Control your Mach-E right from your phone. Next, meet the Ford e-Transit, a business titan, as versatile as you need it to be. Payload worries, forget it. The e-Transit has room for whatever you're moving. With a practical range of 196 miles, it's perfect for city-to-city tasks. This isn't just a van, it's your mobile office, equipped with the Ford Sync 4 system. Quick lunch, quick charge, be ready to roll in no time, thanks to the UK's ever-expanding charging network. More room means more goods. Maximise your productivity with the e-Transit. Save money, save planet. Lower fuel costs means you can invest in what really matters. Low maintenance, high performance, and say farewell to oil changes. Stay connected, stay informed with Ford Pro software. Your business always online. Two trailblazing electric vehicles, endless possibilities, and all with a benefit in kind of just 2%. This World EV Day, make a choice for a cleaner, more efficient future. Choose Ford, choose your Ford Centre.